Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make your own hair shampoo. Now if you don't know how to make liquid soap, I have a video on that, on how to make liquid soap. And I'm gonna start by measuring out my soap. So I'm just gonna show you how soap looks like. This is the soap that I made, and like I said, you can go back and watch the video on how I make liquid soap. So I start off by measuring out the soap that I need. In this case I need 16 ounces. Now you want to pour very slowly so you don't create a lot of bubbles. Okay, well, I went ahead and I made my own custom-made essential oil and fragrance. So here I have tea tree, eucalyptus, and lavender, and then I add in cherry blossom fragrancy oil, and this smells wonderful. You can make your own custom made by blending essential oils and fragrances, or you can just use one essential oil or one fragrance of your choice. Now this is really easy. So I just add in my blend of mix of essential oils and fragrancy oil. And I'm just stirring very slowly. And it's really that easy. I have a bottle here. This is 16 ounces. And it's clean, so with a steady hand I'm just going to pour my shampoo in here. Now you can put any color you want if you want to in your shampoo. In this case I don't want to put any color or any maker, so I'm just gonna pour this into my bottle. And there, this is my shampoo. It's all done. It smells wonderful. It's organic. There's nothing harsh about this that's gonna ruin your hair, and that's how I make my hair shampoo.